Blind camels, brain robbers, and revolutions gone rogue. August 20 is utter mayhem. Welcome back to Today in History, the YouTube show where fact is always stranger than fiction. On August 20, kings vanished, brains were stolen, camels flew literally, and whole nations flipped the script. These 20 unbelievable stories are all true, all fact-checked, and absolutely unforgettable. Number 20, August 2636. The Battle of Yarmouk began when Muslim forces under Khalid ibn al-Walid crushed the Byzantine Empire. It marked one of the most decisive battles in Middle Eastern history. Number 19, August 20, 917. At the Battle of Achelous, Bulgarian Tsar Simeon I defeated the Byzantines so badly, the river allegedly ran red with blood. It became one of Byzantium's worst military losses. Number 18, August 20, 1191, Richard the Lionheart captured the port city of Acre during the Third Crusade. After negotiations failed, he famously executed 2,700 Muslim prisoners. The name Lionheart wasn't just symbolic. Number 17, August 20th, 1597, 20 Christian missionaries and converts were executed by crucifixion in Nagasaki, Japan. Their martyrdom led to centuries of underground Christianity in Japan and a haunting legacy of faith versus fear. Number 16, August 20, 1741, Alaskan explorer Vitus Bering's ship wrecked on what's now called Bering Island. Stranded, he died shortly after. But his name still dominates maps, seas, and geography quizzes today. Number 15, August 20, 1858, Charles Darwin first published a portion of his theory of natural selection in the journal of the Linnean Society. Evolution began rocking the scientific world, though few noticed at first. Number 14, August 20, 1882, Pyotr Tchaikovsky's 1812 Overture premiered in Moscow, complete with real cannons and cathedral bells. It later became synonymous with 4th of July fireworks, despite being about Napoleon invading Russia. Number 13, August 20th, 1905, Sun Yat-sen founded the Tongmenghui in Tokyo, a revolutionary alliance that would later spark the fall of the Qing dynasty and birth modern China. It all began in exile. Number 12, August 20th, 1910, the Great Fire of 1910 erupted across northeast Washington and Montana, killing 87 people. It remains one of the largest wildfires in U.S. history, scorching 3 million acres. Number 11, August 20, 1913, Adolphe Piguet became the first pilot to parachute from a plane and survive. He also invented stunt flying. Later, he became one of France's first fighter aces in World War I. Number 10, August 20, 1920, the first commercial radio station, 8MK, now WWJ Detroit, began regular broadcasting. It forever changed how humans consume news, music, and eventually cat videos via Wi-Fi. Number 9, August 20, 1940, Leon Trotsky was fatally attacked in Mexico with an ice axe by a Stalinist agent. He lived for a day after, still correcting drafts. Proof writers never rest, not even dying ones. Number 8, August 20th, 1944, Romanian King Michael I led a coup against fascist dictator Ion Antonescu. It helped Romania switch sides in World War II. Proving royalty can be surprisingly revolutionary. Number 7, August 20, 1953, the USSR publicly announced it had successfully tested a hydrogen bomb. The arms race leveled up. Cold War tensions skyrocketed, and school children began practicing nuclear duck and cover drills. Number 6, August 20, 1960, Senegal declared independence from the Mali Federation, beginning its modern path as a sovereign nation. It kept peace, poets, and footballers, and said goodbye to colonial cartographers. Number 5, August 20, 1975, NASA launched Viking 1 toward Mars. It became the first spacecraft to successfully land and transmit images from the Martian surface, finally giving humans red dirt envy. Number 4, August 20, 1977, Voyager 2 was launched to explore the outer solar system and carried the Golden Record, a time capsule for aliens featuring Chuck Berry, Beethoven, and greetings in 55 languages. Number 3, August 20, 1982, Lech Walesa led a mass strike in Poland, sparking a new wave of anti-communist protests. Within a decade, the Iron Curtain would crumble, and Solidarity's graffiti became gospel. Number 2, August 20, 1988, Iran and Iraq agreed to a ceasefire, ending their brutal 8-year war. Over 1 million lives were lost. The peace stunned the world, and Saddam Hussein began looking elsewhere. Number 1, August 20, 1991, the Soviet coup collapsed as Boris Yeltsin rallied citizens in Moscow. Gorbachev returned, but the USSR was doomed. Within months, it would be gone, an empire undone by its own defenders. August 20 delivered nothing but history's finest chaos. But August 21 promises even more: lunar cartography, crazy escapes, and a spy who got into a boxing match with a kangaroo. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next episode of Today in History.